how to change your Siri name on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to learn about if we can change our name in Siri or not, or if we can change Siri's name or not. So if you're wondering how you can do that, these are the method you can apply up, and let's see if we can do that or not. So changing Siri's name on an iPhone is not directly supported in iOS, but what can we do instead of it? So for that, you need to open up your settings in your iPhone. Go ahead and open up your settings, and when you open up your settings on your iPhone, scroll down and go to Siri and search. And under Ask Siri section, you can go ahead and tap on your information, information, and this will open up your contacts. Now you can go ahead and choose your own contact card from the list. This should be the contact that contains your personal details. You can go ahead and tap on edit on the top right corner of your contact card if you want, and scroll down to the nickname field and enter the name you want Siri to call you, and tap on done to save the changes. And that is, now activate Siri and say, "Hey Siri, what's my name?" and Siri should respond with a new name that you've set. While you can't directly change Siri's name, you can customize what Siri calls you by editing your contact card with a nickname. So therefore, just follow up the method in order to change your Siri's, your name through Siri. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video. And if you have got any questions, you can just drop them down in the comment below, and I will be more than happy to help you. So I will see you in the next one.